We decided to invest in a Cobot Welding system following extensive work we've done with industry partners using the collaborative robots for a wide range of applications, and there was a real need within the fabrication sector for help to automate, and this was the perfect solution we found.
Really surprised by how easy they were for the students. I mean, they were picking it up pretty easy. I mean, normally with these kind of machines you need to have a degree or something like that to actually program them. Very, very easy to program them, and I think they would be really, really good for the students.
I was quite impressed with the welding today. I didn't obviously expect it to be like so fast and accurate, if you know what I mean, but no, it was really, really cool to see, and I'm always up for learning something new and expanding my knowledge.
I mean, I think these machines are next level. Yeah, I mean, how far technology's came to be able to do that, you wouldn't imagine it, but it's quite cool just to be able to work on it.
We looked at different options and when we've seen the ease of use with Smooth Robotics and the wide range of applications, we felt that this was the easiest for companies to get to grips with, and the difficulty in using and setting up this equipment is the biggest barrier to them adopting the technology. So that simple to use and easy to learn solution means that we can help them to integrate it.